Alright, we're going to the gallery right now. I think I'm going to paint a abstract. I was going to originally do landscape, but then I thought, abstract's more fun. So I'm going to do an abstract. Hope you guys are doing good, watching the World Cup. But yeah, I'll see you guys inside. So my battery just died, so I guess that ends my trip to Indian food. Oh man, such a bummer. So as you saw earlier, my car didn't start, so I have to get a battery and install the battery and then go hang my show. So I'll probably paint tomorrow. Kind of a bum deal, but oh well, what are you gonna do? through the paints we're going to use here. So we have phthalo blue. This is Amsterdam primary yellow. This is crimson interactive. It's interactive titanium white, cadmium orange, and carbon black. All right, first stage I'm going to add gesso to make the paint kind of glide across, so that has a really nice effect as far as this style of painting. Alright, we just put the first layer on here. It's a purple, white gesso, and our cadmium red. So I'm kind of mixing all this, and the blues obviously fail to mix with the red. So I'm giving it a nice dark base. It's kind of going to read gray to black. So when I put on the yellow, orange, it should be really pop against that purple. Just finished the painting, so we're going to zoom in here. Right now it's a very dark painting, so we'll see. Might just redo the whole thing. Probably the first layer was a lot better. I was working on some stuff, but it just somehow some of the areas were just really ugly, so that's why I kind of slaughtered them. Maybe I'll do another layer, so let's see how it goes. All right, check out this palette, dude. It's crazy. You wouldn't believe how the quantity of paint I throw away using this painting. All right, so I did a little bit more. I'm going to zoom in again. Still pretty dark. I added a little bit yellow, blue, little orange in there. I was just too dominant before with the black, which looks really good when it's drying, but when it dries, it's just going to be black. You're not going to see. Right now, it's very subtle on the black, so I could bring back some whites. Not really sure. I'm just going to finish this. Hopefully, someone likes the painting when I put it on eBay. If not, I'll just burn it now. I don't know. Anyway, if you like the process, give me a thumbs up. You can subscribe below, and hopefully you can share with your friends. And by the way, my party is tomorrow, 6 to 8. So hopefully you guys stop by. All right, thanks.